5th of January 2026, and today is Sunday. And since it's Sunday, definitely you know what we'll be doing. We are still going to be analyzing on the synthetic markets, of which we'll be using Deriv. So we'll be starting up with this volatility 75. And just in case you don't know what I mean by synthetic or Deriv, just check the description. I'll be leaving a link there for you to register an account. And of course, that link gives you automatic access to all my trade uploadings where you can see all my trades. You can see the one I'm taking. And please, if you're copying any of them, always ensure you adjust the lot size to lot size that suits you. That's it. Let's dive into this analysis. Now here is volatility 75. 1 second. So going back to the H4, actually we are still on a trade on this. We are still on a buy trade. So we are still seeing how that buy trade is still going. We took that buy trade I think yesterday. When the market, oh, okay, good. So it was not coming up. So this was where it was. I think we combined these two here because the distance between both of them is actually minute. So this was actually where it was yesterday. So we took the mark, I think somewhere around here, and our target is here. That's our main target. So once we get to this level, we move our stop loss from where it was, which is below this, to break even. Then is our main target is around this level. So we are still currently in the market. So looking at the next stop, which is here, this our next level is going to be. So this is going to be the next entry, and then this is our final take profit. This zone right here. Now, what are we expecting? If I can get a breakout from here, then I go long on this to that level. But then remember, since I'm already on a trade, so if I get a breakout from me, and those of you that have seen the trade, so if you took the trade, if you get a breakout, no need of maybe closing the trade. Just move your stop loss from where it is to break even to solidify that trade. Then you can now go into another trade, open another trade to put your stop loss below wherever we are entering down. Definitely, when we enter, there be a place to put stop loss. The market must surely show reaction to give you opportunity to put your stop loss. So let's keep our fingers crossed as it was just one. So we are ready for a breakout from here. We're testing this before you go long on volatility 75. 1 second. So to the next one, this is going to be the 75 itself. All right, here is 75. And just like I said, has been bearish for a long time, giving us this as a recent high or as a, let me say, most high. And these are the zone where it's actually respecting. So going to the 15 minutes chart. Okay. Now you can see it's already moving, breaking structures, breaking this previous level, and breaking below this still. So that means we have likely of continuing in this zone. Now, two things actually I like to happen right here. Either we get a breakout from here for a bullish retracement or reversal, or then we get a bearish break from here to continue on the bearish side. So any of these that happen, we will be more than glad to actually go on this trade. So I repeat, either we get a bullish to continue the bullish, but then remember, if you're getting bullish, if break above this level, that is when it is bullish. Breaking above this, that's when you're looking forward to the bullish entry. But if we can get a break below this level, that means the market is likely to continue on the bearish side of the market. All right, that's it. Going to the next one, which is going to be boom, and of course we are using boom 500. All right, on boom 500, let's go to H4. Zones. You can still see this level right here. The market is more like moving. Let's mark this house, this whole level. They can now, oh, sorry, please. I didn't do that. Then mark this. Now, what are we expecting? A break below this and a retest down here. Then, if we can get a break out of that level, breaking above this, then go this way. So please take note of these two zones I just marked out, because that's what you'll be looking at on boom 500. Go to the next one, which is going to be boom 1000. On boom 1000, since the market is on the bearish side, so let's go to 15 minutes to see change of structure to the bearish. I really can't see any major structure right now to the bearish. So I'm staying out of boom 1000. Boom 1000, I'm not taking any trade on it, just staying out of it for today, except I see a change of structure. Remember, we do this every single day, and tomorrow being Monday, we'll not just be doing this, we'll also be dropping on the Forex markets. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button so you get notified. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button so you get the notification once the next video is dropped. Okay, here is our Crash 500, which has been on the bearish for a long time, but then it's a minor reversal. I'm not really calling this yet a reversal. It's only a reversal for me when the recent high gets broken, and now the high is still very far away from us, which is still around this level. So until this level gets broken for me, I don't consider this yet a reversal. Long as that high is still there, let me that get so it can be clearer. Long as this high is still there, I'm not considering a reversal, I'm still considering this a retracement. But then remember, the retracement can actually get to this level. So now that means what you're looking for now is change of structure. For us to continue on this bullish trend right here, we want to see a change of structure in that direction. Good. So now what we want to see is if this one continue. I'm not really confident. I'm not really sure this is going to continue. But from this candlestick formation, you can see it's more like what's it called? A retracement, not really a trend. You can see this is just more like moving uh diagonally. Let me use that word. So it's not really telling us that there's any major movement in the market. All right. So let's go. What I'll be expecting right now on this is a breakout from here for me to go short first to this level. Remember this H4. So for me to go short to this level, then a break below that gives me a long time bearish trade. Meaning, let me take this again. A break below this then confirms a long time bearish trade. What's going on? Hold on, let me just get that again so I can get it clear. If I can below this, a long time bearish. So the first trade for it to break below this, then I target the market here and my stop loss is going to be here. Then if I can get a break below this again, then I go on the swing bearish pattern. Okay, have we done cash 1000? That's going to be the last year. So let's go to crash 1000, which is going to be the last for today. The high, the low. Let's go this way. So you can have a longer way. Any break above this tells us that the market is ready to go on the full term bearish. So now it's in this zone. It does it for a change of structure. Now remember this is H4. So let's go to 15 minutes. You can see scalping trades. Okay. So for now, I really can't see any major scalping either to the bullish or to the bearish. So that means the better opportunity is to wait for the breakout out of this or out of this. So better still stay out of it until this get broken. So long as I stay in this range, stay out of crash 1000. So that brings us to the end of today's analysis, and of course with Deriv, just like I said, the link is in the description in case you have an account with them. And if the first time coming across my video, we drop this every single day, dropping analysis on forex market, on synthetic market every single day. So if that's not interesting to you, if you want to see this more of this every day to add to your knowledge or to your personal analysis, do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook or TikTok, make sure you hit the follow button. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if this is informative. I can still go ahead to share this with your colleague, with your friend that if you might need this information. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please make sure you stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.